Hey guys, welcome in our YouTube channel SL Classes and Technology. So today we will learn about the rules of classroom. The first rule is always be on time, where you should be ready before the bell rings and sit at your classroom position before the warning bell. Second rule is use complete uniform. Always come to the classroom with complete uniform as written in school policy. Third rule is complete your daily task, where instead of rushing to the classroom in the morning and doing in a hurry or copying from your friends, always do it long ago. Fourth rule is keep your classroom clean. It is your responsibility to keep your classroom clean. With a clean environment, we will feel comfortable to learn and study. Fifth rule is always do your best. Every student should come up the actively participate in all of the class lessons. No need to be shy. Thank you. Watching.